that what you want? Your old life back again?
I'm not leaving my job to join the task force. It was a long time ago.
I need you to be sure about this.
You don't have the luxury of turning me down. Ben didn't have an enemy in the world. He wasn't the one who was targeted. You need me more than I need you, Tom.
All right, Professor Halifax. You're on the team. Let's go.
I'm Dr. Jane Halifax. I'm a forensic psychiatrist.
Drop the weapon! Yeah. Multiple casualties, 2 fatalities so far.
Last night, a man died from a single gunshot.
That's what makes me feel better.
Who was the victim?
Maybe this is our shooter's first mistake.
I don't have a family anymore either. You feel like you've got nothing left to live for.
I think it might be one of us.
Ben's killer is still out there.
This is not an ordinary weekend shooter.
Did you know your father was having an affair?
And he deserved to die.
Can we just let her be?
You know that's not how it works. I need your input.
Well, I can't do this anymore. I'm broken. Maybe he doesn't have the stomach to do it up close.